Tonight, let me tell you the story of Momotaro, the peach boy. Long ago, an old woman found a giant peach floating down the river. Our first word means peach.
もも、もも。
Let's hear it in a sentence.
川から大きな桃が流れてきました。
When she opened the peach, a healthy baby boy was inside. They named him Momotaro. He grew up strong and brave. Our next word means courage.
勇気、勇気。
Let's hear it in a sentence.
桃太郎は勇気がありました。
When he was older, Momotaro decided to travel to a distant island to stop the demons who were stealing from the villages. Along the way, he met a dog, a monkey, and a pheasant. Our next word means companion or friend.
仲間、仲間。
Let's hear it in a sentence.
彼は3匹の仲間を見つけました。
Together, they crossed the sea and reached the dark island. With teamwork and bravery, they defeated the demons. Our next word means demon.
鬼、鬼。
Let's hear it in a sentence.
鬼の島へ行きました。
The demons promised to never steal again, and they returned all the stolen goods. Momotaro and his friends brought everything back to the village. Our final word means treasure.
宝、宝。
Let's hear it in a sentence.
宝を村に持ち帰りました。
Like Momotaro, you have courage inside you, and friends who will help you on your journey. But for now, it is time to rest.
おやすみなさい。
Sweet dreams.